our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. Friends, in this video, I would like to teach you statistics. In this statistics, we are going to learn mode for ungrouped data and grouped data, median for ungrouped data and grouped data. Let us learn one by one. Mode for ungrouped data. What is a mode for ungrouped data? The most occurring value for a set of observations is called the mode. Let us consider an example. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 7, 15, 1, 6, 25. So in this data, 1 is occurring maximum times, 1, 2, 3 times. So that's why mode of this data is equal to 1. Next, if a data contain two modes, then it is called bimodal data. If a data contain two modes, then it is called bimodal data. For example, 5, 4, 3, 9, 3, 11, 4, 15, 25, 3, 4. So for this data, 4 is occurring 1, 2, 3 times and 3 is occurring 1, 2, 3 times. So mode of this data is equal to 3 and 4. So that's why this data is called bimodal data. Next, a data set may have one or more modes and sometimes none. We observe in first, here we have one mode. In second example, we have two modes, sometimes more, and sometimes none. So for examples, 1, 2, 3, 11, 15, 25, 30. This is the data. For this data, there is no number occurring frequently. So all are equal times. So that's why this data has no mode. Next, if each observation in a data set is repeated an equal number of times, then the data has no mode. We observed here. One more example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. So here is a data. For this data, if each observation in a data set is repeated an equal number of times, then the data has no mode. So here these all are equal number of times. So that's why it has no mode. no mode. Mode for group data. What is the formula for finding mode for group data? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula for finding mode for a group data. To understand this formula, here we have an example. Family size, number of families. 1 to 3 members 7, 3 to 5 8, 5 to 7 2, 7 to 9 2, 9 to 11 1. In a survey, this data someone collected. For this we have to find mode. L is equal to here lower boundary of the model class. Where is the lower boundary? Where is the model class? Let us draw this column wise, then we can understood easily. Class intervals 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. Frequencies 7, 8, 2, 2, 1. So in this the frequency which has highest most frequently value is called model class. So this 8 is maximum number, so this is called model class. Model class. So this model class, this is the lower boundary, average of before previous upper limit, this class lower limit is called lower boundary. So lower boundary of the model class. Lower boundary of the model class. L is lower boundary of the model class. So how much is this 3? Next F1. F1 is frequency of model class. So this is F1. Frequency of model class. Frequency of model class is equal to 8. Next F0. What is F0? Frequency of the class preceding model class. Frequency of the class preceding model class. Preceding model class 7. So this is F0 7. Next F2. What is F2? Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Frequency of the class succeeding model class. So this is F2, 2. F2 is called 2. Next, H. What is H? The height of the class or size of the class. Height or size or length of the class. Size of the class is equal to, we can find difference of lower boundaries or difference of higher, difference of lower limits or difference of higher limits. So here 3 minus 1, 2. Now we can find the answer of, find the mod substituting these values in this formula. Mod is equal to L3 plus F1 8 F0 7 by 2F1 2 into F1 8 minus F0 minus F2, F2 is 2 into 2. We have to simplify this. 3 plus 8 minus 7, 1 by 2 8 is 16 minus 7 minus 2 minus 9 into 2 is equal to 3 plus 1 2 is 2 by 16 minus 9, 7. We have to simplify this. Here LCM 7, 7 3 is 21 plus 1 2 is 2, 23. We can continue this here. Mod is equal to 23 by 7. We have to divide here. 23 7 3 is 21 2 7. We have to keep point and bring down 0. 7 2 is 14 6 7 8 is 56 4 0 7 6 7 6 42 approximately. So mod is equal to approximately 3.2286. We can keep like this symbol or we can write to approx like this. Approx. So this is the answer. Median. What is median for ungrouped data? Median is simply the middle term of the distribution when it is arranged in either ascending or descending order. Let us see one example. 2, 5, 7, 1, 3, 4, 6. So here we have few observations. First we have to arrange this in ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this middle one is 4. So this is the median. Median is 4. Note, if n is odd, the median is the n plus 1 by 2 observation, like this. Here we have odd number of observations. That's why exactly middle one, n plus 1 by 2 observation is the median. So one more example. 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. So these are observations. If we arrange this in ascending order, we will get like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here how many observations? 5 observations. So 5 number of observations. Number of observations n is equal to 5. So 5 plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2, 2 ones, 2 threes. So third observation is the median. So third observation means this 3. 3 is the median. Next, if n is even, the median is average of middle to n by 2, n by 2 plus 1 observations. So we have to find out average of middle two terms. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 even observations. So that's why total n is equal to, here n is equal to 8. So n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1, so we have to find the average. N by 2 means 8 by 2, 2 ones, 2 fours, fourth observation, and n by 2 plus 1 means 4 plus 1, fifth observation. We have to find the average of fourth and fifth observations. Fourth, 1, 2, 3, fourth. This is the fourth observation. This is the fifth observations. We have to find the average of these two. So median is equal to 5 plus 6 by 2, 11 by 2, 2 5s are 2 5s are 10. So 2 1s are 5.5 is the median of these observations. What we understood after completing this, if there is odd number of observations, exactly middle one is the median. If there are even observations, we have to take the average of middle two terms is the median. Median for group data. What is the formula for finding median for group data? Here we have formula median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So what are L, N, CF, F, H? Let us see, taking this example. Marks, number of students here given 0 to 10, 5 members, 10 to 20, 3, like this given. Data table given. We have to write this marks and number of students like this, class intervals and frequencies column wise, and also find cumulative frequency. So how to get a cumulative frequency? By adding like this, we can get to cumulative frequency. Here 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4. Every time we have to add for this sum. 12 plus 3, 15 plus 3, 18 plus 4, 22 plus 7, 29 plus 9, 38 plus 7, 45 plus 8, 53. So number of frequencies n is equal to this 53. So this we need. And we have to find median class. What is the median class? Here L, lower boundary of the median class. Where is the median class? We have to find middle value by dividing this n by 2, 53 by 2, 2 ones, 2 twos 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 26.5. So 26.5 is below 29. So this is the median class. This is the median class. Median class. So L is what? Lower boundary of this median class. How much? 60. 60 what? Lower boundary of the median class. Next, n by 2. N is 53. So number of frequencies. Number of frequencies. Number of frequencies. But here we want n by 2. N by 2, 26.5. 26.5. This we want. Next, F. Sorry, CF. CF is cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class. So this is the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding of median class. So 22 cumulative frequency of class preceding of median class, preceding of the median class. Next, F is frequency of median class. So 7, this is frequency of median class. Frequency F is equal to 7. Frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. Next, H is height of the class, height or size or length of the class. So how much is the length of the class? Here increasing 10. So 10 is the length of the class. So we got all the values in this formula. So that's why we can complete this substituting the values. Therefore median is equal to L is 60, n by 2 26.5 minus CF 22 by F 7 into H 10. 60 plus 26.5 minus 22, 4.5 by 7 into 10. To multiply by 10, shift to the decimal to the right by 2 places. So that's why, sorry, here 26 to 4.5, okay. 60 plus 45 by 7. Now we have to divide this. 45, 7 6 of 42, 3, 7 4s are 28. So 2 only. So approximately 60 plus 6.4, that is equal to 66.24 is approximately value. So this is the median of this given data. Friends, I think you understood each and every concept what we learnt in this video. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, immediately subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates, and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.